on my mind right now. It's ripping me apart deep down. But if I let it all spill out, baby, you would only drift away.